Good morning student. Once again welcome in maths class. So we continue our exercise 3.4. In 3.4 question 1, 2, 3 we have done already. So today I will explain you about the question number 4. The question number 4 is subtract each of the following by counting on. We find the difference here from 87 minus 84 minus 37. It means from 84 we subtract here 37. But how? By counting the numbers. For this one, what we do? First step, what we do here? We choose the smaller number here. In 84 and 37, what is the smaller number? 37 is the smaller number. Clear? After that, we counting the number by tens. Clear all of you? We do the counting by tens here to get the next number like that. We take the 37. Clear? First we 37 to 40. We count the number 37 to 40. Clear? 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 70 to 80 and 80 to 84. It means from 37 to 84 we count the number here. Okay, we start from 37. First we count till 40. Clear? To tens. First we go to tens. So 37 to 40. The difference is between there 37 and 40 is 3. After 37, 38, 39 and 40. So we write here 3. Clear? After that 40 to 50. What is the number here? When we write the difference in two given pair, that is 10. Clear? Now 50 to 60, it is also 10. 60 to 70, it's also 10. 70 to 80, it's also 10. And 80 to 84, the difference is here 4. Clear? We add, now we add all the difference. Add all the difference. Clear? Here is 3, here is 4. Now 3 plus 4 equal to 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? So the answer is 47. The difference is here is 47. Clear all of you? I am repeating again the question here. The question is subtract each of the following by counting on. Clear? So for solving this question, first we choose the smaller number. 2 number is given. We choose the smaller number. Here 37 is the smaller. Clear? So till from 37 to 40 we count. So what I am saying here, we count all the tens to reach the bigger number. We start from 37, okay? And we count all the tens to reach this bigger number. 84 is the bigger number, na? So we start from 37, 37 to 40. Clear? Now 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 84. Clear? After that we write the difference here. In 37 to 40, what is the difference between 2? The difference is 3. Clear? After 37, it's 38, 39 and 40. Clear? Now 40 to 50, again 10. 50 to 60, 10. 60 to 70, 10. 70 to 80, 10. And 80 to 84, it's 4. The difference is between two given number is 4. Now we add all these number, add all the difference. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 4. Now the total difference is here. It's 47. Clear all of you? In this way we solve this given question. Now add all the differences. You can check your answer also. 84 minus 37. When you subtract 14 minus 7 equal to 7. Here is 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Clear? Now your solution is correct. Clear? After adding all the difference, you can check the answer. Now see the part number B. It is very easy, beta. Now the part number B is here. It's 43 minus 26. Clear? It's 43 minus 26. So how we do it? First we see the smaller number. Here 26 is the smaller one. Clear? So we count the tens from smaller to reach the bigger number. We write 26 first. Clear? 26 to 30. First we go to tens. 20 to 30. Clear? Now here is 26. 26 to 30. The difference is after we write here 30. Then 30 to 40. And 40 to the number is last is 43. Clear? So the difference is between 2 is 4. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the difference is 4. 30 to 40, it's 10. 40 to 43, it's 3. Clear? We count. Now add the difference. Clear? Now add the difference. Add 4 plus 3 equal to 7 and 1. So the difference is here 17. Clear all of you? In this way we do our solution. You can check the solution also. 43 and 26 here. 30 minus 6 equal to 7. Here is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. It means your solution is correct. Clear all of you? Same the part number C also here. So let's see how we do the part number C. It's 75 minus 25. 72 minus 25. Clear? So first we see the smaller number. It's 25. Now we counting by tens to go this bigger number. 72 is the bigger number. So 25 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 72 is the last one. Now count the difference here. 25 to 30. The difference is here 5. 30 to 40 it's 10. 40 to 50 it's 10. 50 to 60 it's 10. 60 to 70 it's 10. And 70 to 72 it's 2. Now we add all the difference. Now we add all the difference here. Clear all of you? 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? So the difference is between, when we do the subtraction, you can solve. So 72 minus 25 equal to 40. Here 7. Clear? So 72 minus 25 equal to 47. When we count all the difference, our answer is 47. Clear all of you? In this way we do our all these part. Clear? You write this line also. So 72 minus 25 equal to 47. This is all about your question number 4 of exercise number 3.5. Clear? Okay, now we do our exercise number 3.5. Till 3.4 we have done. Now exercise 3.5, the question number 1 is, for each of the following addition facts, write 2 subtraction facts. Clear? So in this exercise there is question number 1, part A, B, C and D is given. Let's see how we do this question. For each of the following addition facts, write 2 subtraction facts. We write 2 subtraction facts here. Addition facts is given. We write the 2 subtraction facts here. Clear? So what is the question? Let's see. Subtraction fact means when 2 numbers are added, we get the sum. It means when two numbers are added, we get the sum. Clear? When two numbers are added, we get the sum. When we add two numbers, we get the sum. Clear? Now, the difference between the sum and any of the two numbers is the other number. It means when we subtract a number from the sum, we get the sum. Clear? The difference between the sum, and any of the number, there is two number is given na? So any of one number, 128, we get the other number. Clear? This is the definition. It means when we subtract one number from the sum, we get the other one. Clear? That is the first effect of your subtractions. The second one is in the same way, when we subtract from the sum this number, we get the other one. Clear all of you? So 584 minus 128, we get this other number, and 584 minus 456, we get 128. And here 584 minus 128, we get the other one number. It's 456. Clear? That is your subtraction facts. Clear? When two numbers are added, we get the sum, and from this sum, when we subtract one number, we get the other one. Okay? From 584, from the sum, when we subtract this number, we get the second one. Okay? And from the sum, when we subtract this number, we get the other one. Clear? This is the question number 1, part number A. Now the part number B is here. The part number B is, it's 428 plus 526 equal to 954. Clear? So in the same way, from the sum, when we subtract the one number, we get the other one. Okay? 954 minus 428, we get the other number. Other number is here 526. In the same way, when we subtract 954 minus 526, we get the other number. The other number is 428. Clear all of you? So in this way, we fill these given blanks. That is your question number 1. Remaining part you do yourself. Okay, beta? Now the question number 2 is subtract each of the following and check the answer by addition. Clear? We check the answer by addition in this question. Subtract each of the following. We subtract here. Okay, and after that we check our answer by addition. Clear? First we do the subtraction. After that we check our answer by addition. When we add this number and this given number, we get 546. If we get 546, it means our answer is correct. Otherwise our solution is wrong. I am repeating here again. First we subtract each of the following. First we subtract here, okay, and then we get the answer. This answer we will add here, okay. When we add this one, the answer which we get, and 324, we get the sum here. This sum and this 546, if both are equal, it means our solution is correct. If both are not equal, it means our solution is wrong. Let's see. 6 minus, we subtract here, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 3. Now the number which we get here, it's 222. We write this 222 here. Clear? Now what we do here? We plus both the number. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the number which we get here is 546. Clear all of you? So the difference between these two numbers is 222. Clear? And after that we adding here, by adding we get 546. Clear? So it means, so our answer is correct. Clear? So our answer is correct. Clear beta? Now the part number B is 700 minus 631. First what we do? We subtract here. Here is 0, we borrow, it's 10, 9 and here is 6. Clear? 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So the number we after subtraction it's 69. Clear? Now what we do? We add both the number. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 1 of carry it's 10. Again 1 carry. 6 1 plus equal to 7. So after adding we get 700. The difference of these two number is 69. Clear? The difference is between two, the number is 69. When we add, we get the number that is 700. It means our solution is correct. That is the part number A and that is your part number B. In this way, you fill the given blanks. Okay. Now, the part number C is here. It is very easy. Firstly, you write the places and after that you do the solution. The part number C is here. It's 1, tens, 100 and 1000. It's 5850 minus 3215. Clear? And when you check your answer, it's 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Clear? We left the blank here. It's 3, 2, 1, 5. Let's see it is correct or not. 5850 minus 3250. First we do the subtraction. After that we do the addition here. Okay. In this way we will check our answer here. Here is 0 and 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Here is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Here is 10. Clear? Now here is 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. It's 2635. Write this number here. It's 2635. Now add 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 and 1 of 5. 6 and 2, 8 and 5. Clear? So it's 5850. Clear? When we add 2, when we subtract here, we get the number 2635. After that, by adding, we get the correct answer. So, our answer is correct here. So, our answer is correct. Clear, beta? That is the part number C. Now, the part number D is here. D part is, it's ones, tens, 100 and 1000. It's 7400 minus 3116. First what we do? We do the subtraction. After that, we do the addition here. It's 3116. By adding, we check our solution here. Subtract and after that addition. Here is 0, here is 6. We cannot subtract. Now we borrow from there. It's 10, 9 and here is 3 is remaining here. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Clear? So after subtracting, after find the difference is 4284. Okay. Now write this number here. It's 4284. Clear? Now what we do? We add both the number. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 1 of carry. 8 plus 1 and 9, 10. 1 carry. 2 and 3 and 1 is 4 and 7. So this number and that the sum which we find here both are same. It means our solution is correct. So our answer is correct, beta. This is all about your exercise number 3.5. Here part number E and F is remaining. You do yourself. It is very easy. Clear all of you? So exercise number 3.4 and 3.5 is complete. Clear?